I'm going to show you how to find the fuse and relay box. It's a Hyundai Tucson. You're going to open up the driver's side door. Right here where your left foot would be, you're going to see this hood release. You're going to pull that. You'll hear it pop in the front. You're going to go up to the front of the vehicle. Right here where the Hyundai symbol is, you're going to go straight up with your hand upside down. Put your hand in, pull up. You're going to lift. And then you're going to grab this here. It's going to connect right there. Lower the hood. Your fuse and relay box is right here on the right side of the vehicle. There's going to be two tabs. One in the front. Push that back. This one forward. And that's your fuse and relay box. If you look inside the owner's manual, it'll tell you, and as well as right here, it gives you some of the information for what. If you're having an issue with your front or your rear power outlet, I'm going to show you how to replace those. This second one down is the front, and that very top one is the rear power outlet. Right here is the fuse puller. You can take that out. You could pull that one and then replace it. That is a spare there to the left. And so you can use those. I'll mark those real quickly. To close it, you're going to make sure you put this put in place. You click, make sure it clicks tight. You don't want any water or debris getting in there. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.
Arrgh.